Hello everybody, welcome back to Beauty Wish, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm going to review, no, not review, I'm actually gonna talk about my favorite brand and every woman's favorite brand, MAC. MAC has recently gained a lot of popularity because of its unique formula and the uniqueness in every product. So MAC is an ultimate brand and a very good brand for every woman. So let's just get started without wasting any time. But first of all, I want to let you guys also know about my earlier video that I made about the MAC foundation, MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation. Uh, Please go and check the video about that foundation. I have already talked about the pros and cons about the MAC Studio Fix Liquid foundation. It's an amazing foundation, guys. There are lots of pros than con. It's my favorite foundation, and for that matter, I guess everyone love MAC. And it's an amazing foundation. You can give it a shot. I'm sure that you will buy it again and again because it's just the best. It recently got award also, Nika award for being the best foundation. And so today I have some of my favorite MAC products with me that I'm gonna review with you guys, because my earlier video has got so much love from you guys about the MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation that I wanted to give a shot to another video of MAC. So let's just get started without wasting any time. So as you guys know about my foundation, I have already talked a lot about this. MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation with SPF 15 is an amazing foundation, guys. It gives you an amazing coverage, highly pigmented, last like anything, last really long. I have already given you swatches in my earlier video also about this foundation. And talking about the longevity, it lasts really long, uh, like 24 hours. It is what it claims, and it do justice for what it claims, because it actually lasts a good 24 hour and gives you a good coverage and amazing formula, and doesn't make your skin look cakey at all. An amazing foundation, guys. So coming back to our next product is MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. So this one is my favorite, guys. This is, what can I say about this? I mean, I just love this product. I just love MAC product. This one is my favorite because you can see how much I love it. It's almost over, guys, because it has an amazing formula. It just stand alone. I mean, you guys have to try this to go by what I'm saying. I mean each and every word. This is the by far my favorite compact I have ever used. It says it's compact plus foundation, and it's literally it do justice for what it claims for. And it is an amazing Studio Fix foundation. The sponge applicator of this foundation is the only problem that I see. I mean, if you doesn't take good care of this sponge, you might face a little trouble. But it's an amazing formula, and it lasts really good. So one of the thing I want to tell you guys is that the sponge thing of this Mac Studio Fix liquid, I'm sorry, Mac Studio Fix compact is the thing that you need to take care of, because if you are using it for a long time and you're not taking the care of sponge, if you're not washing it, so it might create problem for you, because it becomes a bit soggy and dirty kind of, if you doesn't take care, and it affects the quality of the compact in return. So I'll suggest you guys to take care of the sponge properly, because I made that mistake, and I got to know it later that sponge is the really important part of any compact. So if we talk about the coverage, it gives you highly pigmented coverage, guys, and it blends perfectly. absolutely perfectly. It becomes like a second skin on your skin, as I told in my earlier video also. It is just an amazing compact, guys. Let me show you the swatch of it. See the swatch of it, guys, in the mirror. Just see how it blends perfectly. I hope you all can see it. See how much I'm taking, and it absolutely blends in the skin. Can you see? It's not visible because it has an amazing formula. I'm telling you, I just need a moisturizer and this thing, the MAC Studio Fix, and I'm done for an if I just need to go in seconds, or quickly I need to get ready, I just need a moisturizer and this thing, the Studio Fix, and I'm ready. It's just an amazing formula, guys. You should just give it a try once, because it's an amazing compact powder. Please buy this, and you will remember that I'm not wrong. This is an amazing thing, guys. uh, Always keep it handy in your purse. Any girl, any woman would love this thing. Thank you, Mac, for making this amazing compact. So my beauty wish highly recommends this. uh, Coming to the next famous thing of MAC is MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixing Spray. One thing I would like to make it clear, that it's not an fixing spray. It is packed with vitamin and minerals, and it just gives hydration to your skin. It refreshes your makeup, and it's not a setting spray, guys. It's not a setting spray. Don't get confused by the name, because MAC has on its website written the article about this also, that it's not a setting spray. It just give hydration and moisturization to your makeup, and it's an amazing a moisturizing and spray for your makeup look. It refreshes your makeup really nicely. It gives boost to your makeup by providing hydration, softness, and also gives a sheen to your makeup. Like, you can apply it after you finish your makeup, and it gives a really nice subtle glow to your makeup. Your makeup look feels fresh, and uh, a little shine also comes after you apply this. And you can also apply it on your brushes for eye brushes, or your compact sponge, or before your makeup you can also apply it to give a really nice moist look. It's a boon for actually dry skin people, and it's I would not suggest this for oily skin people, because it's actually giving hydration to the skin, so it might make your skin look more oily if you are already a really oily skin person. So, no to oily skin people. And if we talk about longevity, then it doesn't give longevity at all. It's just a refreshing spray, and on giving hydration to your skin. It just give complete your makeup look. I mean, it's just give a instant boost to your makeup, like a boosting spray for giving you a perfect dewy makeup look. If you want a dewy look, this is a good spray for that. MAC Prep Plus Prime spray, and it's a really nice spray. You can surely give it a try. Now, coming back to our next famous product from MAC, and everybody's favorite, is this MAC strobe cream. I know it's a cute little cream that you're seeing in my hand, but guys, this is I got as a complimentary product from MAC when I ordered something from a site, and this thing I got for free. Nykaa, the Indian audiences know our very favorite site, or every woman here is Nykaa. Nykaa, when I ordered something, gave these things for me for trial. So this is Max Strobe cream, and it is written Hydrante Luminex. It's actually illuminates your face, and it's an amazing thing. I'm very soon going to buy a full size of strobe cream because I'm in love with this. It's an amazing, amazing product, guys. The MAC strobe cream, you have to apply this before your makeup, and to just stand out in a party or a function, you just need this before applying your makeup, and your makeup actually glows like anything. I have tried it myself, guys. It's an amazing product. So you just need to apply it before your makeup. It gives you really nice glow, and it eliminates your skin, actually moisturizes your skin, and gives you a very glowy dewy makeup, and you will just love it. You just need to try this to actually feel what I'm saying, what makeup looks it gives you. It's an amazing product, guys. Go for it. Next would be this MAC lipstick I'm having in the shade Cosmo. Let me show it to you. So this is the lipstick of MAC amplified version in the shade Cosmo. It's an amazing shade, guys, and I really love this shade in the shade Cosmo from MAC. It's a creamy texture lipstick, and it lasts a good about 2 to 3 hours. And if you talk about the moisturization, it actually moisturizes your lips, and it's a really good lipstick for the people with dry and chapped lips. It actually moisturizes your lips and give you a good coverage. Highly pigmented. MAC products are always pigmented, and the color, if you talk about, is a pink color with a little shine in it. Actually, a nice shine and illumination that it will provide to your lips after you apply this. So all in all, it's a good lipstick. I really love pink shades, and this one is my go-to lipstick. MAC in the shade Cosmo. I really love the lipstick, and a creamy texture lipstick, it can become your go-to lipstick. uh, just an awesome shade. I just love this shade. A nude pink color with the mauve undertones. I won't say mauve, I mean it's a mix of all the light colors, the brown, nude, pink, and a really nice color. I just love this shade. I always get compliments whenever I wear this lipstick. So it's in the MAC shade Cosmo. I can show you, if you can see, 104 Cosmo lipstick, right? So coming to our last product, that is MAC Retro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Carnivorous. I hope you guys can see it. Carnivorous Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Carnivorous. uh where to start from? Actually, I like the lipstick color, but it's quite dark for me. I'm not a big fan of really dark colors unless it's a party or a really nice wedding function. I don't opt for a dark lipstick that much, and this is a really dark color. Let me show you the swatch. So here's the swatch of the Carnivore lipstick, and as you can see, it's a really dark color. Actually, it's a deep plum shade, and this comes in the glass packaging. The pigmentation and all is really nice. The quality is good, but I'm not a fan of this because I personally don't like it. Many of you might like this lipstick because of its uh, dark color shade, but for personally, I don't like the shade. Otherwise, it's a good lipstick, liquid lipstick, highly pigmented, last eternally. I mean, really long. It lasts really long, and it only con is that it dries on your lips like anything. After some time, actually, I have applied it once, and it makes my lips dry after some time, and it becomes patchy. So I doesn't feel comfortable in that. So I don't feel comfortable in that, and it's up to you. I mean, it's totally a person's personal choice if you want to go for this intensely dark shade. And you can also dab it and like apply this, but it's up like a personal choice if you like this. I use it really less. I mean, I hardly use this lipstick and that's why it's still full. And that's it, yeah. So these are some of my MAC favorite products. These are some of my MAC favorite products. I just love these products, and all in all, these are the best. And if you're watching this one, this I got for free from my site Nika, and it's an amazing mirror, and it looks really pretty. I have kept it like really like a jewel in my vanity kit because I really love this. It's a really nice mirror, and I love this mirror. See the glittery thing? So I kept it like a really important piece in my vanity kit. I love this. And thank you, Nika, and thank you, Mag, for these amazing products for to all the ladies, giving such amazing products to all the ladies. And please, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Show me some love for motivating me in making more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.